Good medical morning. Today, we're going to look at Paronychia. Let's look at a few examples and other nail infections. While we look at a few, leave your comments below. What can these people do to help reduce the spread of infection? If you see them doing anything wrong, leave a comment below. An infection that develops along the edge of the fingernail or toenail is called a paronychia. It is the most common hand infection and, if left untreated, can progress to a more severe infection of the entire finger or toe. Paronychia is distinguished from other infections such as onychomycosis and herpetic whitlow by its location and appearance. Hope you enjoyed those facts and images. Don't forget to subscribe, we have new medical content all the time. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have beautiful and elegant nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, cuticle trimmers, eyebrow tweezers, and an acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today. Don't forget to check out our favorite pimple popper kit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon to make popping pimples a pleasure. It has a lancet for big whiteheads and cysts, a spade for dilated pores and corners, the cone extractor for thick blackheads, and loops of various sizes. You'll be able to pop any pimple in the house. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs, many of which use similar online pictures, but are just low-end replicas. Pick up this professional kit by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.